All right, if you're an agency working with contractors, this free wallpaper lead generation tool or calculator is an easy win for your clients. You can literally charge $500 to $1,000 or more per install. You're going to get this for free. I'm going to give you all the HTML, show you how to use it, and upload it to your site literally in seconds. It literally takes 30 seconds to do this. You got homeowner mode and contractor mode. You can do it over and over again. So this is absolutely free. The links for this particular calculator are going to be directly below in the video description box. There's going to be a link to sign up for it, for me to give you the HTML files. Click the first link, and the second link is going to be, you can come on over here and check out this calculator / lead generation tool for yourself. So let's dive in here real quick. This particular one is the wallpaper installation cost calculator that I built. You got homeowner mode and contractor mode. You can switch between the two. It's standard in homeowner mode, but all you got to do is click there and it goes into contractor mode. I'm going to leave it on contractor mode for this demo and show you how cool this is. So what you're going to do here is, this is room type, living room, dining room, hallway, office, bathroom, other. Number of walls, choose that. Wall height, you got 8, 9, 10, 12 foot plus. The square footage, so it's giving your customers a lot of different options to put in here, but not overwhelming them. It only goes up to here. Keeps it pretty simple, easy to use. Wallpaper type is vinyl. You got all different types of wallpaper you can decide from. Pattern repeat gives you options there. Wall condition, prep work needed, none, light prep, full prep. Old wallpaper removal. And you got these, yes, easy, strippable. And then you got, yes, difficult, vinyl and painted. Accessibility, easy, standard, moderate, difficult, high ceiling. So now this is where it says advanced pricing controls. This is the contractor mode. So when you install this on a contractor's site, he can actually put in his labor rate per hour, profit margin, regional multiplier, material markup, and his sales tax rate. And it's going to calculate the total price here. So it's an excellent tool for a contractor for his personal site, his or her personal site, for lead generation, and for pricing out jobs. It's a dual purpose. It's awesome. This is an awesome tool. And then you got a call now button that can go to the contractor's, rings their phone. I'll show you how to do that in a second. Email estimate and print estimate. What's included, it gives you right here. And if you want to grow your business, there's a full pack I offer right here. You can click on one of these, where I've got actually 6 more of these. So here's the agency settings. The company name. Now watch this. This is really cool. See where it says wallpaper installation cost calculator? So say you're working with a company, we'll say Bob's Wallpaper Design. Just something off the top of my head. We're going to put in the phone number. We're just going to say, make up a phone number. Obviously, it's going to be a real phone number. You could put a logo URL in. Just paste the URL for the logo. That'll show up as well. Email. We'll use one of mine. And then you can change the primary color. You see up top, it's blue right here. You want to change that color. All you do is click on this. And you can go to green, red, whatever color you'd like. We'll do green right now. And just like that, you got Bob's Wallpaper Design on top. Get an accurate estimate for your wallpaper project. Change to green. See how easy and cool this is? I could easily be selling this for a nice amount of money, but I'm giving away this tool for free, so take advantage of it. Default to contractor mode, you can select this. Show call button, yes or no. Show email button, show print button. Deployment instructions, use custom HTML block or iframe. You can do it this way, but it's a little more difficult. If you know what you're doing, you can use this code. Licensing. I'm allowing you to use this on unlimited client sites, not allowed to resell as a competing product or calculator service. Pretty cut and dry. But this is a tool. So if you want to check this out for yourself, you're an agency, you want an easy upsell that you can charge $500 to $1,000 per install. Links are going to be directly below. Awesome tool, customizable, and I'm giving this away for free. So first tool, let me know where to send it. I'm going to give you the actual HTML files to make this drop dead simple. So you can just basically copy and paste, and you'll have this tool working on your site. And you can sell this over and over again to clients for $500 to $1,000 easy per install, and they're going to love you for it because it's awesome. Look at it. Customizable. It does everything, and I guarantee it's one of the better ones on the market. It's, for what it does, I mean, it does everything that you're going to want to do for your clients. So you want to check this out for yourself, and then there's an install video I got under here. How to install in seconds. I show you how to do it. Paste this right into WordPress. You're good to go. So check out the links directly below if you have any questions. I have a full pack, like I said, where I'm selling 6 more of these tools very similar to this. And that'll be the second link directly below. So thanks for watching. Come on over, check this out, and let me know where to send it. Bye-bye.